I don't know how well the camera's going to pick this up, but you can see that half of the intake, you see right here, that line right there is actually under mud. The floats really don't do anything. As you can see, the water level is down because that's the dirt load or dirt level. So it's sitting in the dirt, it's sitting in the mud. It's not self-cleaning or automatically rotating because the pipe is back over here and it's broken. I don't know if somebody's hit it with a bush hog or what, but it's snapped off over in the wood, in the weeds. And then there's bits and pieces of it floating around. Apparently it's been broken for quite some time. But that's something that needs to be taken care of in order to get this thing back up and regularly operating. If you've got somebody with a mini X or a real excavator, if they can get on this incline. I know this is it's real difficult to tell the incline here with a phone, but there's it's not quite 2 to 1. I wouldn't do it. Anyway, we need somebody to come out here, clean out around there's a turtle, to clean out around the intake and allow it to float again to get it out of the mud, and then to clean the actual intake off. So whether they go out there and just wipe it down with a Scotch-Brite pad or their hand, it just needs to be something, because it's pretty occluded. Anyway, that's where we're at.